Welcome back to Unlocked. Today we're looking at an essential upgrade for anyone who already owns the Souber Tools window mechanism opener kit, the WMO-KIT upgrade. If you've used the original WMO kit, you'll know that it's a must-have for tackling seized or failed UPVC window gearboxes. But for certain jobs, especially where reverse shootbolt mechanisms are involved, the original tools can only take you so far. That's where this 3-piece upgrade kit comes in. Inside the kit, you'll find 2 reverse shootbolt tools, left and right-handed. These are purpose-built for awkward mechanisms that won't shift with a standard approach. A deep scotia guard is perfect for use on windows with deeper profiles, giving you the protection and clearance you need to work cleanly and safely. And everything is housed inside a protective carry case that's built to last and easy to store alongside your existing kit. These tools are specifically designed to extend your reach and give you more control when working on non-standard or reverse shootbolt setups, jobs where the original kit alone might fall short. One of the clever design touches here is the carry case. It's sized not only to hold the 3 new upgrade tools, but also to accommodate the tools from your original WMO kit. So you can combine both kits into one streamlined setup, keeping everything protected, organised and ready to go when you arrive at a site. Just like the original kit, these tools are designed for non-destructive access to top-hung or side-hung UPVC windows with failed mechanisms. The added tools give you the confidence to take on awkward or reverse setups, and the deep scotia guard ensures you can work cleanly on windows with deeper frames, all while keeping the sash and profile protected from tool marks. This upgrade kit is ideal for locksmiths and glaziers who are already using the original Souber Tools WMO kit, for reactive maintenance teams handling varied housing stock, and installers who want full coverage across standard and reverse shootbolt mechanisms. If you're not already using the WMO kit on a regular basis, this upgrade kit adds the flexibility you need for more challenging jobs, without needing to carry a second full kit. The Souber Tools upgrade window mechanism opener kit is available now from Aldridge Security. To get yours, or to grab the original WMO kit if you haven't already, visit us online or speak to our team today. And if you're enjoying Unlocked, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more practical trade-focused product walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.